steady right there. All right, hit it.
Sequence start on bolt 1.
Alignment looks good, secure for final torque.
Reroute the yellow bundle through junction 7.
Confirmed. Securing the harness now.
Check the torque on the outboard bolts.
It reads within tolerance, but the alignment is slightly off on station 4.
Okay, let's remeasure the joint gap. Check the dihedral angle again at station 5.
Reading confirmed, we are good for sign-off.
Is this the correct path for the alpha bundle?
Hold there, the schematic shows it lower.
Check the routing on the yellow 5.
Looks good. Go ahead and zip tie that section. Routing confirmed for tray 4B. Verified.
Proceed with securing the harness.
I've got the torque wrench set on this sensor. Okay, the schematic shows it connects directly to the main brake line right there. Check the tension on the main harness here. Looks secure. Moving on to the next set.
What's the reading on that connector point there?
Looks good, 0.75 ohms.
All right, let's move to the next section.
Harness 5 is secure and torqued.
Reading green across the board, A. PDI levels stable.
The schematics indicate the required separation clearance here.
Noted. The routing looks correct.
We need to ensure that separation right there meets the safety requirement. Check the diagram on the tablet.
Okay, I see the requirement. We'll adjust the routing.
Okay, pull that slack through and I'll tension the strap.
Got it. 3 clicks, right?
Affirmative.
Okay, bring it down 5 centimeters. Watch the laser alignment.
Reading green, engineer. Settling into place. Torque is good on this side. pressure readings on the high bypass sensor are fluctuating outside the acceptable parameters.
Is that consistent with the thermal data we saw earlier?
Aligning the assembly now. Watch that starboard strut.
It's clear. Go ahead and start torquing the bolts.
Cycle complete. We have stable power output across the board.
Excellent. Logging the results now.
Auxiliary systems online. Pressure levels stabilizing.
Confirmed. Engine looks nominal from here.
이쪽 라인 확인해 주세요.
네, 알겠습니다.
The primary ignition harness on engine 2 looks good. Confirming the connection now.
Okay, the parameters are matching the schematic. We are ready for activation sequence 1.
Cable 1 secured.
Confirming connection on port 3. Ready for systems check.
Seating the unit now.
And we have data acquisition. Looks nominal.
The diagnostic lights are still showing amber on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Rerunning the sequence from the console now.
The voltage reading on the auxiliary bus is still fluctuating.
Increased pressure on manifold 3.
Copy that. Copy that. New valve now.
Pressure holding steady. Good. Check the alignment on the mount here.
Confirmed. Brake line integrity is nominal.
The diagnostics on the auxiliary power unit are showing a slight fluctuation.
Copy that. Check the harness connection at station 4.
Backlight uniformity is within tolerance.
Confirmed.
Touch response is nominal across all zones.
Pressure holding steady at nominal levels.
Confirmed. Initiating bleed sequence now.
Acknowledged. Data logged.
We're showing peak resonance at the starboard mount. It's hitting the red line.
Acknowledged. Powering down the shaker, we have an overtemp on sensor array C.
Inspection complete. All points verified against the tablet data.
Looks good. We are go for assembly.
Harness 9 Alpha, continuity check complete.
Confirmed. Display mounts are secure.
Okay, the blue bundle goes around the starboard strut.
Confirmed. Ensure the clamp is secured at position 7.
Check the alignment on bracket 7. Looks good. Torque to spec.
We need to align this edge exactly with the schematic.
Got it.
Hand me the torque wrench.
Targeting sequence is stable at 40 milliseconds.
Confirmed on the diagnostic readout. Let's log it. Looks like the redundancy check cleared the threshold.
Solid green. Go ahead and secure the panel, B.
We have full systems pass on the electronic countermeasures.
Copy that. Simulation complete. Mission ready.